As you know, Etsy is a place where people are buying and selling and trading home goods and services that they've created. But did you also know that it can be a really great place to make some passive income with different products that you're selling? So in this video, I'm actually going to show you 3 different ways that you can make money with Etsy. So make sure you watch this entire video because I think number 3 is rarely talked about. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who's helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as you know, Etsy is a really powerful place that you can go to buy and sell different goods and trinkets of all shapes and sizes. But as I mentioned, it's also a really powerful place for you to make money. And what I want to show you are the best opportunities out there for you right now. Now, the first one that I want to talk about is simply creating and selling digital products. Yes, Etsy is a huge marketplace for creating and selling digital products, but not all digital products are created equal. I'll show you how to find digital products for you to create and sell, and I'll show you a place where you can have them done for you at a reasonable price. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to hop over to a website called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords. And what I've done is I've simply typed in printable or SVG. Now, on the far left are the keywords that pop up under SVG or printable. In the middle are the number of searches per month and keyword difficulty. Not really important for what we're doing, but as you can see here, people are looking up all sorts of SVGs that they can download right to their computer. Printables and downloadables are incredibly powerful because you just create the product once, you upload it right into Etsy, and you can make money again and again and again. For example, if we just type in SVG, if you don't have access to Ahrefs, you can see people are just typing in SVG. If we go down to Dr. Seuss SVG, you can see that people are selling these anywhere from $1.56 to $15 depending on the type and quality of the SVG. And again, you can either make these yourself with a free site like Canva, or if you know Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop or even Affinity Photo, you can create these. However, what I'd recommend that you do is actually arbitrage this out. And what I mean by that is you can go over to a website like Fiverr and you can type in SVG and you can have people create these SVGs for you for as little as $5 or $10. So if I just type in SVG right into Fiverr here, SVG just like that, you're going to see there are tons of people that are creating these SVGs and you can buy them for as little as $5 or $10. Look at this, $10 and they're going to make these SVGs, $5 over here, and it has over 40 5-star reviews. So what you want to do is simply figure out which ones that you want to create. You can use this right here, or you can do it the manual way, and you can simply go through each letter of the alphabet. For example, start with Q, type in SVG, and you're going to see that potentially something will pop up. So we can go to W, we can go to E, and see here if we can get this working correctly. Q, like that. As you can see, SVG Queen Bee. Let's click on that and see what that is. Hopefully that's safe for work. As you can see here, Queen Bee SVGs. This one, $1.52. It looks like this seller here has over 918 reviews. Now, most likely, this includes other products that they're selling. But if we look here, this can actually lead you down to a rabbit hole of figuring out the SVGs that are working. And the cool thing is you hire someone over to do it for you, but they have tons of SVGs and all sorts of things, and you can use this as a template. And you can do the same thing with printable. If we look at this printable calendar, we can come over to Etsy just like this, scroll up, and we can do printable calendar just like this, printable calendar 2022. And once again, people are selling these calendars. Now again, you can make this yourself with a website like Canva, or you can hire someone to do it over on Fiverr for $5 or $10. What I recommend that you do, if you don't have access to Ahrefs, is you can type in a word like printable or downloadable, and again, go through each letter of the alphabet. We can also do the same thing with downloadable because it all is the same. Downloadable. As you can see, downloadable arts, prints, Valentine's cards. Another really powerful way to make money on Etsy is taking advantage of the holiday. As you know, Valentine's Day just passed. Let's type in, I think Flag Day might be coming up soon, Flag Day SVG. If we hit enter, once again, you can do this for every single holiday. And a lot of these are just grabbed right from free websites, and they're grabbed from Canva. If you don't know the holiday schedule, you can type in US holiday schedule 2022, and then you can just create different SVGs based on the holidays that are coming up, or printable or downloadable. So that's just one way. The second way that you can make money with Etsy, and this might be a better way because you don't have to worry about returns, you don't have to worry about customer service or problems, is simply with affiliate marketing. Now with affiliate marketing, you are recommending or selling other people's products and services. And the way that this works is you can earn a 4% commission for recommending different products that you find over on Etsy. So maybe you have found different toys or books or something like that that a lot of people might be interested in. You can promote them on your website, on your YouTube channel, and potentially make money. So I just clicked on games here because it's of interest to me, but you could recommend different games. Look at the Commodore 64. You could recommend that and earn a portion of the sale. Now, this can be a really cool way to make money. Look at the RTX 2070. This would be huge for gamers, for crypto miners, for people that want to make money in a variety of ways. You can recommend it. You can also do the same thing for just about anything. Now, what I'd recommend that if you're going to recommend other people's products and services, try and find products that are a little bit more high value, because 4% of a $10 product isn't going to net you a whole bunch. So maybe you find different jewelry or accessories that you can promote. But affiliate marketing is a cool way, and there's a bunch of different ways that you can make money. What you need to do is go out and figure out traffic. You can start a Facebook group, you could start a YouTube channel, you could start on Twitter or Instagram, and potentially recommend different products that way. The product creator will thank you, Etsy will thank you, and you'll put some money in your pocket. Now, the third way, the way that I alluded to a little bit earlier, is a hidden secret that not a lot of people know about when it comes to making money on Etsy. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use a website called trends.google.com. And this is a website where Google is telling you what's trending in the world. And so if we look here, this basically gives you an overview of what's important. But if we scroll down here, we see a few things. We see the Winter Olympics, we see Ukraine, and we see the 2020 NBA All-Star Game. Now, what people are doing over on Etsy is they're using it as a search engine, and they're looking up trending topics. Now, what I did is I just typed in "no war" into Etsy, and you can see all sorts of stuff popping up that have to do with the current situation that is going on over in Europe. And so what you can do is you can use this for just about anything. Find trending topics that are popping up over here on Etsy. We could take a look at the 76ers. They just traded for James Harden. We could take a look at all sorts of stuff, maybe even daylight savings time, and potentially make money. So I'm going to come back over here on Etsy again, and I'm going to type in the 76ers like this, just like that. As you can see, when I typed in 76ers, we see SVGs, t-shirt, sweatshirt, vintage. But I'm just going to click on this first one and see if it has anything to do with something that is trending. Now, this looks at old things, older stuff, but we could potentially find something that has this one right here. The beard is here. This is a perfect example. The 76ers just recently traded for James Harden. James Harden is the beard. He's known by NBA fans as the beard. As you can see, people are creating a t-shirt, and they're probably arbitraging this out, where they're creating a t-shirt, selling it for $20 based on things that are trending. And you can do this again and again and again. If we can go back over here, we can look at, let's try daylight savings times just to show you and illustrate to you how people are using Etsy as a search engine. So we can do daylight savings. As you can see, daylight savings, we click on this first one, and people are creating all sorts of stuff based on things that are trending. And you can do this too. So the three ways that I mentioned, we can take advantage of trending topics over on Google Trends, we can be an affiliate, or we can sell SVGs, as you can see. Now that you know 3 proven ways to make money on Etsy, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to an ebook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.